Oh my, whoa, oh, Yoshi, don't do it. Yoshi, I need you. Yoshi, oh, Yoshi, Yo-Yo. Oh no, there's the monster. It's creeping behind there. We have to keep going. I got it. Yoshi, what? What? Oh my, what happened? There's the monster. Okay, here we go. We gotta cross the lava river. What's this? Another what? I'm ultimate. Yoshi, I'm ultimate. I can pick up trucks. Alright, okay. But now that monster is our target. There it is. Okay, here. Hey there, you monster. Die, you monster.
It's so thirsty.
You monster, die. Yeah.
Stop, Saber. Try to do the puzzle.
No, my name is Mario. Not that guy.
Mario.
I will kill you, you monster. Oh my. Oh, burn gene. Yoshi mad. Oh, Yoshi. Monsters. Oh no, there's two monsters we trapped. Come on. Good job. Come on, fire. Oh. They captured us. It's going to capture us. Quick. No more super scope. Okay. Oh no, there's the monster. I have to do something. We're cornered. We're cornered. Watch out, guys. We need your help. Yeah, Yoshi. There's a we're trapped by monsters. Meanwhile, he said I need help. So we better get there. Oh no. Oh no, the monster came to us. Oh, ouch. Oh no. Guys, are you still fine? Don't worry, we'll get him. Ouch. Oh no, Sonic better run. Oh no. This place is stinky. Sonic will not die. Oh no. Ouch. Okay, you monster, we'll get you. You die. Oof. They're unbeatable. We can't get rid of them. Ouch. Link, be fine. Oh no. Oh, great. Link, we have to think of a plan. Okay, here we go. We have to sort him. I'm so slow. Okay, guys. Okay. Monster place is evil. I wonder what if we use our super skull, then they'll find us. Probably we won't want to fly because it will go more harder. Yeah, I'm the only person with the mouse here. See, the mouse is smart. We have to think of a plan. If we don't think of a plan, then we'll die. So, that means... Oh no, that's the sound of bones. What's that bone sound? We have to... Super Skull. you? And you're a monster.
A monster? No way.
Oh.
I'm no monster.
Alright. Better run away. Super Scope, better run away. Oh my, that was scary. Okay. Kirby and Sonic, you have to run. Oh my, I don't wanna run. Just do it. First we have to find a boat, so then we can get over the ocean. Sonic, you have to run, and Kirby, you use the Super Scope to find Sonic without having us have to go over there. Oh no! Running! Oh no! Oh my! Oh no! The monster! Guys! Oh! Yeah! I told him that would be fine. Oh, it's dark and tricky in here. There should be a boat somewhere. That puny boat. That won't work. Jungle won't work. A school bus. That's what will work. A school bus. But I can hardly even film it. That's why anyone else been there. Wait a minute, what's this? Wait a minute, I feel like I see something. What's this? I'm Flame Man. I have a fiery heart. Oh, fiery heart guy. Hey, you need your help. If you can help them, then we'll be fine and we'll all get a rifle in the house. You know what we need to hope in these monsters to disappear. Okay, disappear, oh traveler. No. It didn't work for the big monsters like that one. Let's work. Disappear monster! Hey, we need to get that boat. That's the only hope. If we can get the boat, then we can run. Alright. It's dark in here. Flame Man. Yeah. Here's the boat where this red flare is. I'm the red flare, what you can see. I'm a red flare. I'm the red flare, what you can see. There's a light of a... great job! The boat is breaking through houses. New life history. Ooh. Oh my. I can't get through. What shall we do? Now everyone should be able to fit inside. Great job. Okay. Now it's time to get going. I'll look in the Super Scope. Okay, we found Hey, Sonic, have you got in that boat? Yes. Okay, good. Come here right now. Got it. Hurry. Like and subscribe.